Hi students, now we will see the revised science syllabus for the class 10th year 2020-21, subject code 086. General instructions. There will be an annual examination based on the entire syllabus. Entire syllabus here means the revised syllabus. The annual examination will be of 80 marks and 20 marks weightage shall be for internal assessment. Then total of 100 marks. In those 100 marks, 80 marks is your board examination and 20 marks comes to your internal assessment. Now the internal assessment is for 20 marks. It is subdivided into 4 parts. First one, periodic assessment. First 5 marks is for periodic assessment, that is the periodic test conducted in the school. The remaining 5 marks are for diverse methods: short answer, oral test, quiz, concept maps, projects, posters, presentations, etc., which are conducted in the school, in the class. Then subject enrichment is for 5 marks. Subject enrichment here is the practical or laboratory work, what you are doing in the school as per the revised syllabus. Then remaining 5 marks is for portfolio. Portfolio is conducted in the class, is in the form of a small test or in the form of they will take in the form of an assignment. Now we'll see the course structure. That means annual examination paper and how the questions are coming, from which part the questions will be allotted. Now the entire marks is for 80 marks. Now see here, the units are of 5 units you are having. In the syllabus you are having 5 units. Now from which unit how many marks you are getting in the board examination. Now we will see one by one. Unit number 1. Chemical substances, nature and behavior. This is your entire chemistry part. From the chemistry part, you are getting 26 marks out of 80. Then unit 2 is the world of living. From that unit, you are getting 23 marks out of 80. Then unit 3, natural phenomena. From that, you are getting 12 marks out of 80. Then unit 4, effects of current. From that, you are getting 14 marks out of 80. Then unit 5, natural resources. You are getting 5 marks out of 80 marks. The total marks is for from the all the 5 units, it is 80 marks. Then to this, internal assessment marks are added. Those are for 20 marks. Grand total, it is 100 marks. Now we will see the each unit, what are the chapters they included. First we'll start with unit 1, chemical substances, nature and behavior. This entire unit is regarding the chemistry part. First chapter, what are the chapters you are having in this? First chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Second chapter, acids, bases and salts. These two chapters completely they are present for you and they will be coming to your board examination. Then third chapter, metals and non-metals. In that half of the part it is there. Those are properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. Next one, fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds. From this chapter you are having the topics are covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of the carbon, homologous series. Then from the fifth chapter is your periodic classification of elements. Entire fifth chapter is there for you in the board examination. These are the revised chapters and topics, subtopics, what you are getting to your final examination, to your board examination. Next, unit 2. This is your biology part, world of living. The unit 2, it includes 3 chapters. Those are life processes, that is nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion in plants and animals. Full chapter is there. And 8th chapter, how do organisms reproduce? Complete chapter is there for you as per revised syllabus. Then 9th chapter, heredity. Heredity, it includes only few topics. Those are Mendel's contributions, laws for inheritance of traits, sex determination, brief introduction. These are the 3 chapters or their topics, subtopics as per the revised syllabus. Then come to the unit 3 and unit 4. They comes to your physics part. In those, first we will see unit 3. That is chapter 10, light chapter. Complete light chapter 10 is there for your board examination. Then 11th chapter, the human eye and the colorful world. From this chapter you have the topics. Those are refraction of light through a prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, application in daily life. Then come to unit 4. That is 12th chapter, electricity. Electricity, electric current, potential difference, electric current, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, factors, series combinations of resistors, parallel combination of resistors and its applications in daily life, heating effect of electric current and its applications in daily life, electric power, interrelation between P, V, I and R. Full chapter is there for you. Then next one, magnetic effect of electric current. From this chapter 13 you are having the topics. Those are magnetic field, field lines, field due to current carrying conductor, field due to current carrying coil or solenoids, force on current carrying conductor, Fleming's left hand rule, electric motor, electromagnetic induction, induced potential differences, induced current, Fleming's right hand rule. These are the topics what are there for your as per your revised syllabus. Please go through it. While you are looking this video, please take one pencil, underline the syllabus, what does you are having as per the revised one. Then next one, unit 5, natural resources. This part comes to your biology part. From this you are having chapter 15, that is our environment is there for your board examination. Then comes to one more chapter, that is 16th chapter, management of natural resources. This management of natural resources, this chapter is the 16th chapter, is there only for internal assessment. From this part, this chapter, you are not getting any questions in the board examination. This is allotted only for internal assessment. The teacher may conduct this one in the form of a portfolio. This is for 5 marks. They may conduct a small short test or an assignment. Next we will see the practicals. What are the practicals you are having as per the revised one? Those are, first one, studying the properties of acids and bases on the basis of their reactions with litmus paper, zinc metal, sodium carbonate. And second one, observing the following reactions and classifying them into combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement reactions. Then third experiment, observing the action of zinc, iron, copper and aluminum metals on the following salt solutions. Then fourth experiment, studying the dependence of potential differences across a resistor on the current passing through it and determining its resistance. Also plot a graph between V and I. And fifth experiment experimentally shows that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. Then sixth one, determination of the focal length of concave mirror convex lens by obtaining the image of a distinct objects. Then experiment 7, tracing the path of the ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. Measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence and interpret the result. Studying the binary fission in amoeba, budding in yeast and hydra with the help of prepared slides. Then ninth experiment is tracing the path of the rays of light through a glass prism. Totally 9 experiments are there for your practical syllabus as per the revised one. Please make a note. Next, assessment area. That means the theory paper, 80 marks paper is there. Okay, in which way they may give the questions. how they will give the questionnaires, that is based on demonstrative knowledge and understanding questionnaires are of nearly 46%, application of knowledge and concepts wise 22%, analyze, evaluate and create type it is of 32%. And the type of questions they may ask in the question paper, they include objective type questions, assertion reasoning type questions, short answer questions, long answer questions, source based or case based or passage based or integrated assessment questions. They may ask you in this way. This way of questioning will be there in the paper. Then an internal choice of approximately 33% would be provided. Internal choice is there in the board examination paper, science paper. Next we will see the deleted syllabus for a glance. The deleted syllabus, it includes metals first from the first unit 1, from the unit 1 chapter 3, metals and non-metals. Basic from that unit, the parts, the topics what they removed are basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention. Then from the fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds, they removed nomenclature of the carbon compounds, saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbons, chemical properties of carbon compounds, combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution reactions, ethanol and ethanoic acids, soaps and detergents. And also they completely removed your 7th chapter, control and coordination in animals and plants, that is from your biology part. They also removed few topics from the 9th chapter, that is heredity and evolution. They completely removed the concept of evolution. Next, from the 11th chapter, the human eye and the colorful world, they removed functioning of lens in human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirrors and lenses. Now from the 13th chapter, magnetic effect of electric current, they removed electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC, domestic electric circuit. Then they also removed your chapter 14, sources of energy. They completely removed this entire chapter, sources of energy. This comes to your biology part. And the deleted practicals, those are finding the pH of the following samples, indicators, okay, how to find the pH of the following solutions. They removed this part. First experiment. Then second experiment, determination of the equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in a series and parallel. Third experiment, what they removed, preparing a temporary mount of a leaf peel to show stomata. Then fourth one, study of the following properties of acetic acid, odor, solubility in water, effect on litmus, reactions with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Fifth experiment, what they removed is study of a comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water. Then sixth one, finding the image distance for varying object distances in case of a convex lens and drawing corresponding ray diagram to show the nature of image formed. Then the seventh practical, what they removed is identification of the different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed. These are the deleted practical syllabus. Please students make a note of it, the revised syllabus, and go through it. Have a good day. Bye.